Want to transform your images and arrange elements exactly where you want them in Photoshop, giving you the power to reshape any photo. Let's dive in. First, open your image in Photoshop. Ensure the Layers panel is visible. It's your control center. If you cannot see the layers, go to Windows and click on Layers. This panel is crucial for working with individual elements. Next, we'll select the element we want to move. I'm using the Quick Selection tool found in the toolbar to easily select our subject. In this case, the flower. Click and drag around the flower, and Photoshop will automatically identify and select it. If the selection isn't perfect, we can always add or subtract parts with the plus and minus buttons. Now the fun part, grab the Move tool found at the top of the toolbar. Click on your selected flower and drag it to a new location within the image. That's it. Your image is being reshaped. For more precise placement, use the Transform tool. I'm going to Edit, then Transform, and then Scale or Rotate. This allows you to resize, rotate, and even skew your selected element for a perfect fit. Hold Shift while resizing to maintain proportions. You've now mastered moving elements in Photoshop. Experiment with different selections and transformations to unlock endless creative possibilities, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adobe Photoshop tips weekly.